All right, let's talk about email design. You know that feeling when you're building an email from scratch and you spend ages adjusting spacing, tweaking corner radius, and getting all your colors just right? It's a bit like assembling flat pack furniture. Technically, it's doable, but wouldn't it be nice if someone had already done the hard work for you? Well, that's exactly what layout blocks do. They are pre-designed collections of elements in common patterns that you already use in emails, saving you time and helping you create beautiful, professional emails faster. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to use layout blocks to streamline your email creation process. And here's a tip. These layouts work brilliantly with the Brand Hub feature, which we'll mention shortly, to automatically match your organization's style. You might be used to text blocks in emails, those individual elements you drag in to design your email. With traditional blocks, you typically spend quite a bit of time arranging them, adjusting the spacing, corner radius, colors, and everything else to suit your brand. Layout blocks change this. They're basically collections of existing blocks arranged in common patterns you frequently use in emails. Think of them as ready-made sections rather than individual building blocks. Let's build a real newsletter together. Say you're a community organization sending your monthly member update. I'll show you each layout block as we use it so you can see exactly when and why each one is helpful. Every good newsletter needs a header. Let's drag in the header layout block first. This layout includes your logo on the left and links to your website on the right. You can select these links and change where they point. You'll want to update these to your own URLs, perhaps one to link to your community website and another one to your portal or resources page. Now let's add a paragraph layout block. This is perfect for your opening message. This layout comes preset with a heading and body text. The spacing is already configured beautifully. You might use the heading for something like "From the President" or "This month in our community." And then write your welcoming message to members in the text area. If you decide you don't need the heading, you can simply remove it and just use the paragraph text. The beauty here is flexibility without fussing with spacing. Let's say you want to spotlight a member achievement or highlight an upcoming initiative. This is where the call-out card shines. Drag in a call-out card layout block. This gives you space for an image and a description. Upload a photo of your featured member or initiative, write a compelling description, and you've got an eye-catching section that draws attention exactly where you want it. Need to share more details? Well, drop in another paragraph layout block. You might share information about membership benefits, upcoming changes to the community, or important updates members need to know. Here's something brilliant. Because these are columns, you can reorganize your entire email structure using the up and down buttons. Changed your mind about the order? Well, then just select the column and shift it. No fiddling with spacing or alignment, just click and move. Now, perhaps you've got 3 or 4 upcoming events or resources you want to share. This is perfect for the button list layout block. Drag this in and you'll see it gives you several buttons in an organized layout. Each button can link to a different event, resource, or opportunity. Replace the placeholder text with your titles, maybe workshop leadership skills, member directory update, volunteer opportunities, annual survey, and set where each button links to. This is a clean, scannable way to present multiple options without overwhelming your members. If you're running a member gathering, networking event, or annual conference, the event card layout is incredibly handy. Whilst it's designed for events with space for date, time, and event title, you don't have to use it exclusively for that purpose. You could adapt it for any time-sensitive announcement, like membership renewal deadlines or AGM dates. The pre-formatted structure makes it easy for members to quickly grasp the key details. Every newsletter needs a clear next step. Let's drag in the call to action layout block. This gives you a prominent, well-styled button. Perhaps your call to action is register for the event, renew your membership, or read the full story. Update the button text and link, and you've got a clear path for your members to follow. Like the other layouts, this is a column, so you can shift it up and down if you want to position it differently in your email. Finally, every professional email needs a footer. Drag in the footer layout block. This is pre-formatted and ready for you to customize with your contact details, social media links, and unsubscribe options. All the spacing and styling is already sorted. And just like that, you've built a complete newsletter. What would have taken ages of tweaking, spacing, adjusting styles, and getting everything aligned has been done in minutes. The idea is simple. Come into each layout block, replace the placeholder content with your actual message, update your links, and you're done. The structure and styling are already sorted. Now, you're probably thinking, this looks great, but it doesn't match my brand colors or style. That's where the Brand Hub comes in. Layout blocks are designed to work seamlessly with the Brand Hub, which is a central location where you can set your brand colors, fonts, logo, button styles, and more. Once you've configured your Brand Hub, all these layout blocks will automatically use your brand colors, fonts, corner styles, and other design elements. This means that you can create beautiful, on-brand emails in minutes without any manual styling. Important note, until you set up your Brand Hub, layout blocks will use system colors. You will see a notification prompting you to complete your brand setup. We strongly recommend doing this to get the most out of layout blocks. To learn how to configure your branding, check out our Brand Hub lesson, which walks you through the entire setup process. If you find yourself creating similar emails regularly, save your layout as a template with the placeholder text still in place. Then next time you need to create a similar email, you can simply duplicate the template and replace the content. So there you have it. No more flat pack furniture assembly for your emails. Layout blocks give you pre-built sections that speed up your email creation process. And when combined with the Brand Hub, they automatically match your organization's style. The result, beautiful professional emails in a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching, and to explore how to set up your brand colors and styles, check out our Brand Hub lesson.